We got a rare bird in here, guys, today. 2003 Ford Thunderbird. I don't know if you guys know the saying, twice the dice, Ford Thunderbird. You know about that? Thunderbird. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys? Got factory converter there, factory converter there. Then it's got a factory resonator or third cat in the middle. Then he told us he wanted it this setup, so we did it for him. True dual all the way back, 2 2.25 on each side. Then he brought his own BORLA S types there and right there. Part number 40658. Had to smoosh them in there to make them fit. That was the only way to make them fit. So there they are. And then he brought his own tips also out the back, and we added some pipe to them, some 3.5-inch tips, stainless steel. There's the factory exhaust as was on it, 2 1/4 in the middle with 2 resonators, and then there's 2 mufflers out the back on each side, there and there. There's all the piping. We cut all that off and cleaned it up for him, made it look really nice, really beautiful. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. It's so clean too, guys. You can tell it's garage kept. Huh? Really nice car. Go ahead. Nice. It's classy. It's the nice thing about BORLA S types. It gives it a really classy sound. Again. Here's sound decibels. Rev it like this. Again. I guess once they break in, it'll get a little bit smoother. Again. Go ahead and back it out. Looks clean. Look at that. It's mint. Ford Thunderbird, twice the dice. Let you guys hear on the inside.
Ford Thunderbird.